Next time you're in Peru, try waking up with a glass of frog. It may sound like a cruel joke, but real live frogs have been the main ingredient in this popular juice for ages. Cafes around Lima are happy to serve you the drink, frogs still kicking in an aquarium out front. To prepare, simply knock out a live frog on the counter and skin it. Add a combination of carrots, Peruvian maca root, and honey, and for obvious reasons, we'll spare you the final step, a zap in the blender. Drinkers of frog juice say they like it for health reasons.
I always come to drink frog juice here because it's good for the children, for anemia, bronchitis, and also good for older persons.
The sign outside says it'll cure osteoporosis and even impotence, though the claims aren't exactly based in science.
The frog juice has not met the standards of the FDA to be mentioned as medicine. It has no scientific evidence, but it is a supplement used in remote areas of our country.
So if you're willing to take a leap of faith, close your eyes and take a sip. Frog juice may or may not be the cure for what ails you. Robert Bumstead, Associated Press.